Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sliding eraser easy guide. Start by gathering a soft eraser, a thin plastic tube, a small spring, a craft knife, sandpaper, and glue, and set up a clean workspace. Carefully trim the eraser to fit the tube, sand edges for smooth movement, and test the spring tension so the eraser extends and retracts gently. Take your time and keep fingers clear of the blade. Trim the eraser end by end until it fits snugly in the tube but still slides easily, and always shave a little at a time to avoid overcutting. Rub the eraser on sandpaper to even out the surface, checking fit after each pass so movement stays consistent. Insert the small spring behind the eraser to provide gentle push-out action, and test the mechanism several times to confirm smooth extension and reliable retraction. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making handy DIY guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading step-by-step tutorials on the go with a crisp screen and long battery life, and it's a tiny, tidy companion for craft notes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Build the sliding sleeve by fixing a thin internal stop so the eraser cannot fall out, and glue an end cap to hold the spring in place while allowing motion. Center the spring carefully to prevent the eraser from angling as it extends, and wipe away excess glue immediately so nothing binds. Once assembled, cycle the eraser several dozen times to bed the parts together, and make minor adjustments for a consistent, smooth glide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.